Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to download and install Marvel Snap on your PC or laptop. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first here, you need to have Steam running on your system. Now, if you don't have it, you can actually go to store.steampower.com. Now, when you are on the website, you just need to click on the download button on the top part of your screen. On the next window, just click on Install Steam and it is going to download the exe file for you. Now, once that's done, just click on the downloaded exe file and follow the steps to install Steam into your computer. Alright, now when you're done installing Steam into your computer, you can go to Store. And from the list, you can search for Marvel Snap and you can click on it. Now here you can scroll down and click on Play Game. So this is going to download the game into Steam, and later on you can play it on your PC or your laptop. So when you're done downloading it, you can go to your library and scroll through the games until you found the one that you just installed, and then you can start playing it. Alright, so that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.